Hi guys, it's Games for Fun here. And I'm here with my sister Brooklyn, and she's making noises with her tall stick. Yeah! And she's going to record a different game. It's not Fun Run 2.
My channel is Sister Game Bros. Go find it.
Yeah, we're awesome.
If anyone else is watching, not just me.
Yeah. Okay, so let's get right into this.
Because she's not that popular yet, because she's only made 3 videos.
Well, this is my 4th one. Quick play. I don't have any
And I made a
gems.
how to play chess video. If you're wondering how to play chess.
Yeah.
But I've never
Yes.
No. No, we should do Mad Libs, Grayson. We should do Mad Libs. While you're playing, we can do Mad Libs, okay?
Okay. No.
I'll record
They use the magnets. Ow. Did I shoot myself? Yeah, I just shot myself. Leave that there. Jump. I'll be happy if I come in first place. Why are 2 people marked out? I don't know. No, I'll be protected. I hope it's going to come to an end soon. Because I really want to come first. Leave that there. Jump. Woo! Okay. Yes, I came in first! Oh, yeah.
Can you, Gracie?
Okay, guys, I'm back. I just had to talk to my sister because she...
Hey guys, today I am playing Mad Libs with my sister. She is doing a different video. Go subscribe to her channel, Games for Fun, lowercase games, with a Z, space number 4, and space fun, all lowercase.
Yes. Please. It would mean the world to me.
We're gonna do the Family Rock Band.
And I'm going to fill in the blanks for my sister.
This is gonna be okay, go. Adjective.
Smelly. I'm saying random things while I'm racing.
Now,
Okay.
its name. Oh, Rah. Rock. It's Rock. Last name is Rock.
Okay.
Could be last name. Not could be last name.
Come on.
Hey, Gracie. An adjective.
Harry. Be right back. I'm back.
Okay. Games for fun. Adjective.
Can it be a color?
Yeah.
Red.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, guys, I'm back. I had to just turn my sound down because my sister was getting annoyed.
Okay, I'm back.
I have a shield, but my shield
Shut up.
bubble just left me. Why shield bubble?
Okay, games. Give me an adjective.
Blue.
Okay. Plural noun for me. People. There it goes.
Sorry, I wasn't talking. I was just concentrating really hard.
Noun.
Mouse. Mouse.
Mouse it is. Okay, my turn. Adjective. Scary. In all caps. Okay, plural noun games.
Bears. Because I am a bear.
You are not there.
In my game, I am.
What game are you playing?
Remember?
No, I don't.
Fun Run 2. It's a Dirty Bit game. It's made by Dirty Bit something, I think. Maybe not. I'm sorry if I'm wrong.
Adjective.
I think I'm going to play something else now. Hang on a sec. Okay, I'm back. We're just playing Bomber Friends. Yay!
You are.
I am.
Adverb. No, I mean random word. Oopsie.
No, we don't want to go here.
Random word. Random word. Random word. Random word.
Stick. For multiplayer, even not, I'm going to do multiplayer and go
I was thinking
training.
her with like a little plastic stick.
It's not very little.
Ooh, a letter of the alphabet. Oh, this is an easy one. B. And Grayson, give me a random word.
Blog.
Log.
Log.
I think I messed up on some of them, so it's gonna be like not full words. I think I accidentally typed fog instead of log.
That's completely...
Okay, family rock band.
I'm quicker.
I don't come from your average smelly family. That's because we're all part of the rock family.
What?
Oh! Family, no, that's because we're all part of the rock family, rock. And we lead a very hairy life. For example, by not shaving his cat every morning, my dad has enough time to practice the red drums. My brother doesn't participate in
I'm not talking because I'm concentrating.
extracurricular moves at school because he plays the electric dog. My blue sister doesn't have time to date people because she sings lead vocals and practices for 4 or 5 hours every day. When I'm not writing our scary songs and tickling the bears on the keyboard, so I don't have any free time either. Finally, Mom is our bubbly manager. She books our band to play at weddings, donkey 16s, and maybe lion mitzvahs. Someday, if we practice stick enough, maybe we'll get a music video for BTV and play sold out shows at Madison Square.
I'm not talking because I'm really concentrating.
Yeah, we have time for one more.
I'm concentrating really hard right now. I'm trying to talk and concentrate at the same time. It's not really working.
I'm going to do the latest dance craze.
Okay. Oh no, I got cashed with the
Gracie.
evil spell. What?
Adjective.
Okay.
Just say adjective.
Smelly.
No,
It's...
a place.
The fork.
No.
Oh.
I will do the work.
Yay.
Okay, next. Person in room.
Sister Game Bros.
Sister. Game Bros. That's me, by the way. Sister. Game Bros. Bros. That's the name of my YouTube channel. Verb ending in ing. Dancing. Yay. Dancing. Dancing, 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 dancing. Oops. What the heck did I do? Okay. Noun. 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 Noun, Grayson. Noun. Out. Noun. Noun.
Cat.
Okay.
You're a certain place.
Adjective. Grayson, adjective. 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 Give me an adjective.
Smell hairy. Guys, that's all we have for today. Bye.